Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on search icon and in the search bar type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now type sfc space /scannow and hit enter. This command will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Again go to search bar, type troubleshoot settings, click here to open it. Then go to other troubleshooters and scroll down and run the power. It will try to detect the problem. Once done, close this window. Again go to search bar, type msconfig and click here to open it. This will open system configuration window. Now check this option and uncheck this one. From here you need to check this one. Go to services and check this box. Click on disable all, apply the changes and click on OK and simply restart your machine. This will take some time to complete the process. Now we are in the safe mode now. Click on start icon, select run and simply type this command msconfig and click on OK. Now go to boot and just uncheck this option, click on apply and then OK. And now you need to restart your system. There we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.